Are you looking for the best heavy-duty MIG welders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best heavy-duty MIG welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VEVOR 2-tier welding cart. The VEVOR welding cart is designed to support heavy welding tasks with a maximum static capacity of 265 pounds. You'll appreciate its spacious 2-tier design, which accommodates welding helmets, gas cylinders, and tools, keeping your workspace organized. The cart also features an anti-toppling design that secures gas cylinders in place with stainless steel chains, ensuring safety during use. With 360-degree swivel wheels and a comfortable handle, maneuvering this cart is easy, making your welding experience more efficient and enjoyable. What we like: high weight capacity, organized storage solution, stable gas cylinder placement, easy maneuverability. Number 2. ZIXNEXKOO Heavy Duty Welding Cart. The ZIXNEXKOO welding cart is designed to enhance your welding experience with its spacious 3-tier layout, allowing you to easily store and organize your essential tools like hoses and helmets. Its secure gas cylinder holder, equipped with durable chains, ensures that your cylinders are safely in place while you work. You'll appreciate the smooth maneuverability provided by the 4 wheels, making it easy to navigate your workspace. Built with heavy-duty materials, this cart can support a significant load, giving you the confidence to transport your equipment safely and efficiently. What we like: ample storage space, secure gas cylinder support, smooth maneuverability, durable construction. Number 3. Eastwood 250 AMP MIG Welder. The Eastwood welder is a versatile welding machine that can handle a wide range of welding tasks. With its state-of-the-art inverter technology, this welder provides precise and efficient welding performance. It is powered by either 120 or 240 volts, making it suitable for various power sources. The infinitely adjustable 50 to 250 amp welding range allows you to weld anything from 20-gauge steel to half an inch thick plate. Whether you are working on small projects or tackling heavy-duty welding jobs, this welder has got you covered. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 46 pounds, makes it easy to transport and store. The Eastwood welder is a reliable and powerful tool for any welding enthusiast or professional. What we like: versatile, precise, compact. Number 4. Lincoln Electric K2275-3 Welding Cart. The Lincoln welding cart is designed for easy transport of your welding equipment. Its portable design allows you to move your welder, gas cylinder, and accessories effortlessly around your workspace. The 2-tier storage system features an angled top shelf for convenient access to controls, while the lower tray offers additional space for tools and supplies. With sturdy wheels, you can easily navigate your shop or job site without hassle. This cart is compatible with various Lincoln Electric welders, making it a versatile choice for your welding needs. What we like: portable and easy to move, 2-tier storage design, compatible with multiple welders, heavy-duty steel construction. Number 5. Aain MIG Welding Cart. The Aain welding cart is built with heavy-duty steel, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of welding tasks while resisting rust and wear. Its 2-level shelf design allows you to store your welder and accessories conveniently, making it easier for you to maneuver your equipment. With dimensions that accommodate up to 110 pounds, this cart provides a stable platform for your welding projects. The cart features 4 swivel casters for smooth movement in all directions, allowing you to transport your welder effortlessly, even when loaded. What we like: durable heavy-duty construction, easy storage with shelves, stable and low center of gravity, smooth mobility with swivel casters.